To add the payment method on Fiverr, log into Fiverr, sign into your Fiverr account using your credentials, access payment settings, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select settings, go to billing. Within the settings menu, navigate to the billing or payment settings section. Add payment method. Look for the option to add a payment method, such as a credit or debit card or PayPal. Click on Add Payment Method. Enter payment details. Input the necessary information for the payment method you want to add. For a credit or debit card, enter the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. For PayPal, log into your PayPal account to link it. Save and verify. After entering the details, save the information and, if required, verify the new payment method. This may involve confirming a small test transaction. Set as primary. You can designate one payment method as your primary option for transactions. This becomes the default method used for Fiverr purchases and withdrawals. Confirmation. Once saved and verified, your payment method is added to your Fiverr account, allowing you to make purchases or receive payments for your services.